Hi everybody, it's Janabelle from East Coast Mommy, and today I'm sharing my 5 favorite dollar store finds for fall. I know it's still summer, but you are going to want to head to the dollar store ASAP and pick up these items before they're gone. Let's get started. So the first thing I want to share with you today is a simple, easy, and inexpensive idea for DIY fall decor. So you're going to need either an inexpensive dollar store frame. I picked out this one that just has clear glass and you mount the picture in the clear glass. You can also just use a clipboard, which is kind of a fun way to display artwork for seasons, and you just lift this up and you can easily switch out the artwork. So for fall, I have a free printable to share with you. It says Hello Pumpkin, and it's made with beautiful watercolor fall objects. So I'll leave the link below where you can download this free printable, and then you can just pop it in a frame or pop it onto a clipboard. Of course, fall is synonymous with back to school, and the dollar store has some fantastic containers for making school lunches. So one of my favorites are these Ziploc containers, and they have different sections for a sandwich and fruit and a little snack. And if the kids lose them, it's not a big deal, but they are reusable, and I think these are great for school lunches. Also reusable are these adorable platinum silicone storage bags. They are microwave safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and leak proof. They come in fun designs. There's a Star Wars one and a super cute Mickey one. I picked these up yesterday, and these are perfect for school lunches. Of course, with the price of groceries now, it's a great idea to find ways to save money making school lunches, and the dollar store has some fantastic options for supplies. My kids love the crackers from there. You can also get granola bars, these little mini Oreo cookies, which are nut-free, and you can stock up now and have them ready to go at a discounted price from what you would pay at the grocery store. I'm always on the lookout for easy and inexpensive ways to switch out my seasonal decor, and the dollar store has some great finds for fall. Recently, I found these pumpkins that are only $1.50 each. This one says Give Thanks. This one says Autumn Blessings. This one says Gather Together. I like that they come in different patterns and different shapes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave them like this or come up with a DIY using them. Stay tuned and we'll see, but I think these are really great for $1.50. The last item that I wanted to share with you today that you are going to want to stock up on for fall are pool noodles. And I know summer is coming to an end and you're probably wondering why I'm saying pool noodles, but they are fantastic for making crafts for fall and for Christmas. So pick them up now and you'll have them in your stash. With these pool noodles, I am going to make a pumpkin. And I'm going to use this for the body of the pumpkin. I'm going to cut it into the shape that I want, tie it together, and use hot glue. I'm going to use this stick I found in my yard for a stem, and I'm going to use this leaf garden to make the twirly leaves on the pumpkin. So if you are interested in making DIY crafts for fall, pick up some pool noodles and some of this garland.
You'll need to cut pool noodles into 5 equal lengths and then use hot glue to attach a couple of them together. The hot glue is going to be just to kind of hold everything in place, and then you're going to tie it with fishing line. But it's a lot easier to use some hot glue just to make everything secure. Then you're going to position a twig out of your yard into the top and just put all the pool noodles around the twig. When you're all finished getting everything in place, you use some fishing line to secure all the pool noodles together. The fishing line is clear, so you won't be able to see it when you're done. Use a couple of knots just to make sure that it's secure and it doesn't come apart. To finish it off, I use some green garland that I found at the dollar store. It has wire in it, so it's easy to position. I wrapped it around the stem and kind of twisted it around to make it look like pumpkin vines.
I hope that you enjoyed these finds for fall. I know it's summer, but you really do need to keep ahead of things at the dollar store to make sure you have the things that you want when you need them, especially when it comes to seasonal items. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Really helps my channel. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, I'd really appreciate it. Talk to you soon. Bye.